Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the steps on how to reset your Samsung Galaxy A50. This particular device is with Sprint. This tutorial should work on any similar devices from any other service providers. As you see, this device has a passcode. When we try to turn it off, it's going to ask us for the password. So the steps you would need to do is, number one, we're going to force shut off the device, and as soon as we shut it off, you're going to press the buttons quickly to get to the recovery screen. So now to force shut off the device, you would need to hold the power and the volume down key. Now you want to press these for about 8 seconds. When the phone shuts off, you want to release the volume down and then press the power and the up key. So let's start with that. So we're going to hold them for about 8 seconds. As soon as you see the phone shuts off, release the volume down, press the volume up key. Then when you see the Samsung logo, release the power and keep holding the volume up key. As you see right here, we are at the recovery screen. To navigate, we're going to use the volume down key to scroll down. So you want to scroll down to where it says wipe data factory reset, then press that power key to confirm, down to yes, our factory reset. Then you want to scroll down to where it says wipe cache partition, the power key, down to yes. Once that is done, you can go ahead and reboot your device and it will be cleared. This is it, guys. This is the end of my video for the day. If you found this video helpful to you, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.